Welcome back to our channel, Health Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that could be a game changer for your wellness journey. 7 amazing teas that can help lower your blood sugar levels. Let's get started. First up, we have green tea. Packed with antioxidants and nutrients, green tea can improve brain function, fat loss, and most importantly, lower your blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that green tea can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Try having a cup of green tea in the morning or after meals to reap its benefits. Next on our list is cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is not just a spice, it's a powerful tool in managing diabetes. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar by mimicking insulin and increasing glucose transport into cells. Enjoy a warm cup of cinnamon tea daily to help regulate your blood sugar levels. Third, we have hibiscus tea. This vibrant tea isn't just beautiful, it's beneficial too. Hibiscus tea has been shown to reduce blood pressure and manage blood sugar levels, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Add a splash of hibiscus tea to your diet and watch the magic happen. Fourth, chamomile tea. Known for its calming effects, chamomile tea also helps lower blood sugar levels. It's a great option for bedtime, helping you relax and regulate your glucose levels as you sleep. Unwind with a cup of chamomile tea before bed. Next up is ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties. Recent studies suggest it can also lower blood sugar and improve insulin resistance. Incorporate ginger tea into your daily diet to take advantage of its blood sugar lowering effects. Sixth on our list is rooibos tea. This South African tea is rich in antioxidants and can help manage blood sugar levels. Plus, it's caffeine-free, making it a perfect evening drink. Enjoy a relaxing cup of rooibos tea to keep your blood sugar in check. Last but not least, we have turmeric tea. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help lower blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Add a pinch of turmeric to your tea for a powerful health boost. There you have it, 7 incredible teas to help lower your blood sugar levels. Remember, while these teas can be beneficial, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep sipping those beneficial brews. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.